Hurry your asses up.
Right.
All we need is that rock water.
Oh yeah, all right. That's what we do. What up, y'all? Hey, we got the crew up here. Hey man, we over here. It's just a beautiful day, man. On the weekend, we about to do another install, man. This time on Black Beauty. So Trey said something fell off over at his house, man.
It's getting contagious around here.
I think he stole my part. That's what I think what happened, y'all. But y'all tell me. But we gonna see what he putting on here right after this break.
Over my house, somebody gonna be mad.
All right, Woo. All right, Woo, what's going on, man? What's going on? What you got over there, man?
I don't know, man.
Huh?
This shit just fall off.
Something fell off on yours?
Yeah, it is.
Okay. Look, using that good night.
Using the right
Look,
tool,
we got special guest audience members here today. You know, y'all know them. They be on the chat. Yes, sir.
Hey.
That's Rennie.
Yeah.
Tommy, mother.
How you doing, sir?
Baby's over there getting jealous. Uh-oh. Hold. Oh, they outside. I was like, who's barking?
Like Christmas around here.
Yeah, it's so aggressive.
And today, folks,
Oh. Damn.
Okay. All right.
Nobody.
nobody touched nothing.
Yeah. Advanblack, they make sure they protect it. I like that. Hey, no
I
excuses.
like that.
No
Yeah,
excuses.
I love it.
Yeah.
And I'm about saying we ain't need nothing to get scrapped.
I didn't. Don't go in that left pocket.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I'm pull out that blade. All right. Oh, what we got?
Oh, wow.
We got the matching riders, the mountain bracket for it.
Oh, okay.
That's what we
okay.
putting on today,
Okay.
folks.
The matching.
So, they didn't have it when I purchased the combo, so they finally got it in. So now, get us back.
Okay.
It's running cold
So,
back.
right. So that's not only just a backrest, so that's an adjustable.
It's adjustable.
Back. Okay.
With the adjustable, it's got the cable.
Okay.
So it's basically where you can lean back and
Lean
forth.
back.
You can release it so the passenger can get on the bike.
Okay.
So that's what we're doing today.
Okay. So y'all let us know, man. Leave a comment if y'all got that backrest, if y'all got an adjustable. I had just the regular basic one, so I took it off. Mine wasn't adjustable. Felt like I was sitting too close up on the tank. But I'm curious to see how this is gonna work and see how if he's gonna like this or might help me find something that fall off a truck later. All right, so as y'all can see, we got Black Beauty stripped down a little bit, just got the seat off.
Yeah, this seat off. You guys know how to take your seat off.
Yep, I would hope so. All right, so what's the next step?
First, we gotta get some of this stuff out of the way.
Yep.
In order to install the bracket.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna remove the ECM and the top of the battery cover. So you got two clips on top of the ECM.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Pops up just like that.
Mm-hmm.
A little dirty, but you're just gonna wrap it up, stick it to the side,
Okay.
out your way.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna take the two T40.
Okay.
What you gonna do, because it's got a little hook,
Yeah.
slide it forward,
Okay.
it pops right up.
All right.
Just like that.
All right. So what size socket
We're
you got?
using a 7/16
Okay.
to take these two here off.
Okay.
All right, let's get
Okay.
this mounted, Drew.
All right. So got the nuts off of there.
Yeah, got
And
everything
then where that's
off.
gonna go? Okay, right there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. How's that? Okay.
Yep. You got two holes here on the frame, Drew.
Okay. Got it. Hey.
That we want to line up.
Yep. So you got two holes here.
And then I'm just gonna hand tighten these. I'm not gonna to make sure we can still line up with those holes there.
Okay, that might be a good call.
All right, let's get this tightened up, man.
Okay. You got a socket and then you got a open end wrench.
Open end. Set both 7/16.
Okay. So, all right, take y'all ass to Harbor Freight and buy some tools.
All right.
Okay.
It just tighten up by hand, so
Okay.
everything lined up.
All right. All right.
We got the switch on. Of course, it's a pain in the butt, but you got to put it on when you're putting the heat deflector on too, because your newer models, you got to use the same bolt as your heat shield. So you got them both on, as you can see, and the bottom bolt.
Yep. Hold on, let me show.
If you had an older,
But if you don't have the heat shield, you can
if you don't have the heat shield, or if you don't want to run your heat shield, it goes right in the bolt that the heat shield mounts with, the top screw, and then you got the bottom screw.
Okay.
But if you don't have the threaded already, it comes with a clip for you to use. So I ran the line through the frame, and that's what we're ready to hook up the cable now. All right, now we're finna connect the cable to the.
You're gonna turn it from horizontal to vertical.
Yep.
Okay. So a pair of needle nose pliers. We'll bend that. First, you turn that vertical. Then we'll bend that. Yep. Now, that's
top size will go in it.
Yep. So that's why he bent it. That's why I say you got to open this up to flex this to get it in there.
Okay.
That's what I was saying. I don't think that's gonna open up enough. It might, but yep. Then you're gonna slot that. Just like that.
Yep.
Told you.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
You're gonna listen to me one day.
Hey.
I do this.
All right.
All right. So we got the.
Pull that lever.
All right. I'll pull it. I got it. I got
Okay.
it. I got it.
See
Let me
it?
get under here. Yep. So
Yep.
look at that lever.
Hey, look at that.
Up,
Smooth.
down, nice and smooth. Yes, sir. Nice.
All right, as you saw, we got the cable on. Now we just gonna butt everything up, put the ECM back, the battery cover back on. We ain't gonna bore you with all that. We put it in time lapse, and we'll be right back.
Warp speed, here we go.
Alright folks, we got it all buttoned back up. We didn't want to bore you with it. Seat back on. Now, most important part, show you how to put it in the slot here. Trooper, if you come over here so they can see. Got a little tab. Push down on that. Ta-da.
It's simple.
And then all you do, if you want to adjust it back, but
Okay. Can you lock it in place back a little bit?
yeah,
Okay.
Use
Just
the
like
back.
that. Yeah.
and then adjust the height on it. Sure. You got a button here, up, down, which I will adjust once I ride it. I can adjust the height I want for me.
Okay.
But as you see, nothing installed.
Looks good.
Guys doing things.
Doing it.
The seat and the hand.
Okay.
Okay. Go ahead.
To release it,
Yep.
if you want to let your passenger on, get on. Once she on, set, adjust it. let it go, and she locks in place.
Nice.
Whatever you like.
So wherever you like, where you feel like you pushed up front. So
All right.
good to go.
All right.
And we gonna test you here in a little bit.
Yes, sir. Other guys doing thing install, man.
They ain't tell me about them Harley.
Yeah, they ain't tell you.
I know now.
Now you know. Figure it out. If you know, you know. I think he's gonna be happy with that backrest.
Yeah, he already sat on it. He was smiling.
Yeah, he was a little frustrated putting it in, but hey man, that's how we learn. Look at, he happy now. Look, he trying to get up in the air or something. Yeah, right. Yeah, right.
Yeah, look at that smile.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you like that?
I can do about 2,000 miles now.
2,000.
Yeah.
Okay, he was doing 1,000 earlier.
We ain't doing that.
He was doing 1,000 easy. Now he's doing 2. Okay, with that backrest, just a backrest?
Yeah. It takes the pressure off the lower back.
Okay. As y'all know, that was another Advanblack install. You know, hey, if you know, you know. Holla at us. You know. Hey, if y'all haven't already, man, like, comment, share, and subscribe, man. This is what we do, man. We have fun, we live lives, we work hard. We're gonna enjoy it, man.
Yes, sir.
And until next time.